Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to change a combination lock. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will unlock the secrets behind mastering the art of combination locks. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this video will provide the knowledge needed to become a pro at changing combination locks. First, open the safe door and pass the lock bolts to the changing mark. This initial step sets the stage for the combination change. Next, turn the knob to the changing mark point counterclockwise. The number of turns will depend on the number of digits in your code. Follow this carefully for a successful combination change. After turning the knob, insert the changing key. This key is a crucial element in the process, allowing you to proceed with the combination change securely. Now, dial your new combination once again. Ensure precision and accuracy as you set your unique code for the lock. With everything set, it's time to test your lock. Confirm that the new combination works properly before fully securing your safe or storage. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on changing a combination lock. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips. Need professional assistance or facing any challenges with your locks? Consider Surelowkey LLC for top-notch locksmith services. Make sure to subscribe to our Instagram for exclusive content and stay active there for more locksmith insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe here for regular updates. Stay secure. Our experts are available 24/7, providing emergency locksmith services throughout the year. Your security is our priority, so call us anytime for reliable and efficient solutions.